Hello, it's all-wheel drive boy here again. Well, we are doing a Ford F350 wheel bearing, and it's not being very easy today. I mean, this thing barely fit in this garage that I'm working in. Sucks, but whatever. Over here, just barely any room. I barely cleared that. I'm moving with inches. But I'm putting some heat in there because he's not really getting much, but that is seized on there. I've already tried prying it off and beating it off, but it won't come off. I got the nuts and the bolts off. I got the brake caliper bolt out of the way there. I got the nut and the solder pad out. But that baby seized on there. I mean, it's missing a few bearings too. He wasn't lying about the bearing being bad, so hopefully we can get that apart and start trying to get that baby back together here soon. When I get it off, I'll make another little video, and then we'll go from there, guys and girls. Hopefully everybody else is having a good Friday. But we're back at it again. And after this, we got a little Hyundai Volstis, I think. You know, we got to try to diagnose and try to figure out. But all right, we'll be back in a little bit. And we'll go through. The floor's still kind of wet, but we're working with it. All right, boys and girls. I'll holler back at you in a little while. Well, sorry guys, but I already got it apart. I got the new bearings in there, all packed full of grease. I just had to go out and buy a new cap for it. Had to get a new cap to put in there because it goes up in there and you tap it on with a little small hammer to keep the dust and stuff out of the bearing. But now we gotta start putting it back together. Got the caliper over there. I'm just gonna inspect the brakes and stuff just to make sure they're not too warm, which I noticed there's a little bit of a problem going on here. I have to talk to the customer to see what they want to do, see if they want to replace that rotor and everything, or what their ideas are. Maybe they need to get it turned. But then again, I'm sort of noticing it's got some fracturing or some stress cracks into the rotor, so I may just try to convince them to replace it. But I guess we'll see what happens and we'll go from there. But all right, well, I'm glad y'all are sitting here watching the video and the channel. I'm going to hopefully keep trying to post videos like this every other day. But yeah, well, thanks for watching. It's all-wheel drive boy. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.